Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this blurry zoom and pull transition in CapCut Mobile. So just prepare your clips or photos, and then on each clip, go to animation, combo, and then select or apply the zoom one animation. Let's find zoom. Okay, this zoom one, apply it to all of the clip, and after that click on the check icon, click on the transition box, click on camera category, and then add the pull in transition to all of the clips. So apply to all, click on the check icon. Lastly, add the blur effect. So go to effect, click on the lens, and then add the blur. Click on the check icon, make it short like this, put it in between the clips. So just duplicate it and put it for the next transition like this. So it's done, and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.